They just published this report quite recently about these three different, let's say, participants. First one, again, model owners is OpenAI, is Anthropic, is the large players that inherently do not want the world to know their parameters. The parameters of a model can be, for example, the weight, the way they train the deep neural networks, but also the architecture, the way they kind of have different types of deep layers and the way they use reinforcement learning and all these mechanisms. Of course, they do not want to be that in public domain because that's their intellectual property. They spend billions of dollars training these models. So architecture and particularly weights, they do not want to be released to the world. They're actually using an AI, an LLM, a large language model that you don't know how the architecture is actually done. And also, in many, many cases, unless it's really, really super open sourced and not only open weight, you have no clue about what the weights really are. So you're just using these LLMs and you compute them, but without actually knowing what's really behind the closed doors.